اگه این منطقه مواد انفجاری می داشت تو بالونای گاز چطور انفجار نکردن؟
انفجار نکرده.
While my brother came from his work, want to park the car in here, and their children, it was in the car. On that time that happened in Okra.
And how many people from your family
10
died?
persons died in here. We lost 10 persons, including of my daughter. He was at 2 years old.